What if I told you that public speaking isn't about being perfect? It's about being authentic. Most people fear public speaking more than anything else. The racing heart, the blank mind, the fear of judgment. Sound familiar? Welcome to Speak with Confidence, Mastering the Art of Public Speaking, and I've helped hundreds of professionals transform their fear into their greatest strength. This isn't just another public speaking course. We combine proven presentation techniques with emotional intelligence strategies to help you connect authentically with any audience. You'll master storytelling that captivates, body language that commands attention, techniques to manage anxiety, and strategies to engage any audience. I went from dreading presentations to actually enjoying them. This course changed everything for me. Your voice matters. Your message matters. Let's unlock your confidence together. Enroll now and start your transformation today.